converting land from conventional agriculture to organic production could reduce greenhouse gas emissions, the runoff of excess nitrogen from fertilizers, and cut pesticide use. It would also, according to a new report, be feasible to convert large amounts of currently conventionally farmed land without catastrophic harm to crop yields and without needing huge amounts of new land. The study, published in the journal Nature Communications, found that by combining organic production with an increasingly vegetarian diet, ways of cutting food waste, and a return to traditional methods of fixing nitrogen in the soil instead of using fertilizer, the world's projected 2050 population of more than 9 billion could be fed without vastly increasing the current amount of land under agricultural production. This is important, as converting other land such as forests, cerrado, or peatlands to agricultural use would increase greenhouse gas emissions from the land. The authors found that an increase in organic farming would require big changes in farming systems, such as growing legumes to replenish nitrogen in the soil. However, other scientists were cautious over endorsing the report's findings, pointing out that the size of the world's agricultural systems and their variability, as well as assumptions about future nutritional needs, made generalizations about converting to organic farming difficult to make. Sir Colin Berry, Emeritus Professor of Pathology at Queen Mary, University of London, said, "As for all models, assumptions have to be made, and what weight you attach to which item can greatly change outcomes. The assumption that grassland areas will remain constant is a large one. The wastage issue is important, but solutions, not addressed here, to post-harvest, pre-market losses will be difficult without fungicides for grains. Some populations could do with more protein to grow and develop normally, despite the models here requiring less animal protein." Leigh Furbank, professor of sustainable agriculture at Leeds University, said, "One of the question marks about organic farming is that it can't feed the world." This paper concludes organic farming does require more land than conventional methods, but if we manage the demand for food by reducing waste and reducing the amount of crops grown as animal feed, organic farming can feed the world. He warned, "These models can only be viewed as a guide. There are many assumptions that may not turn out to be true, and all these scenario exercises are restricted by limited knowledge and are fairly simplistic compared to real life, but realistic enough to help formulate policy. The core message is valuable and timely. We need to seriously consider how we manage the global demand for food." Even without converting to organic production, however, the US, India, China and Russia, 4 of the world's biggest greenhouse gas emitters, could turn into some of the biggest absorbers of carbon, through better management of their agricultural land. A separate new study shows that these countries have the greatest potential for the sequestration of carbon dioxide through changing the way soils are protected, through better farming methods that can also help to preserve declining soil fertility.